There was this thing that had happened very recently in lockup, okay? Firstly, to Akanksha Chamola, Gaurav Khanna's wife,
Yeah.
she came on the show and she revealed her first big secret that her and Gaurav Khanna, they're gonna get a divorce.
Yeah.
And everyone was like shocked.
Damn scummy to do it on a reality
TV show.
Like,
But that's the entire plot, right? You're supposed to tell your secrets through.
oh, that's the plot.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Everyone says their
Everyone-
own secret on the show.
They should have 3 secrets.
Okay.
And on the show, when you're entering the jail, you will get a card. In that card, तुझे confidential आएगा या तो it will be the option of revealing a secret at the moment.
Okay.
तो आकांक्षा को आया था to reveal a secret at the moment. तो मतलब the secrets are her lifeline. तो मतलब उसकी एक lifeline use हो गई, मतलब वो अंदर जाके safe हो गई है. तो उसने उसमें ये सीक्रेट बोल दिया पहला कि मेरे और गौरव की शादी टूटने वाली है वगैरह. From past 18 months she is saying that they have been living separately
in like
And-
separate houses.
everyone on the internet they are like तो बिग बॉस में ये मतलब
Exactly.
ये sympathy करने के लिए लेके आया था
Exactly.
उसको. And
And then even after he won the award and they were going back home and there was like media उसके घर के बाहर, so they were like very, oh, we're a couple,
Cutesy.
oh, you know, I missed my husband for so long.
See, you can't believe anything you say.
Exactly, which is why everyone thought कि ये झूठ बोल रही है.
No.
For the TRP of the show.
Listen,
That's what I also thought.
In the show also, Gaurav, in Big Boss, Gaurav asked like, there was this episode where this tarot reader Jaya Madan comes and he asked her कि मुझे बच्चे चाहिए but मेरे wife को नहीं चाहिए. Or is there any way that can happen? And then Jaya Madan said that she's already thinking about it.
She's already thinking about not having kids.
About having kids.
About
And then Gaurav was very happy. He
Yeah.
was like, that's amazing. Then Akanksha comes on the show and when the family week is there and then Gaurav asks her कि मतलब ऐसा ऐसा नहीं गौरव ने नहीं किसी और ने ही पूछा था आई थिंक प्रणीत और अशनूर वगैरह वो सब थे वो लोग ने पूछा था
Ashnur, isn't it?
बिग बॉस में थी ना
She was in Big Boss.
Ashnur, you're talking about the UPI guy.
No.
That's Ashneer.
Ashneer. Ashnur is this child actor.
Ashneer.
Ashnur is Gopi Ben.
Gopi Ben.
Gopi Ben. Gopi Ben. That's Ashnur.
I would like Ashneer Grover also in it.
Ashneer-
I can't lie.
Bro, Ashneer Grover's wife is in lockup.
Oh, his wife is in lock.
His wife. See, you're close.
I want to go back to the
Akanksha, yeah.
Akanksha and Gaurav thingy. Then Akanksha को पूछा कि तुमको बच्चे करने हैं कि तुम सोच रही हो क्या? And then she was like no. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मैंने बहुत पहले she was like मैंने शादी करने से पहले ही गौरव को बोला था कि
As she should have.
मुझे नहीं करने. And then गौरव ने बोला था कि ठीक है whatever we'll stay together this that blah blue. And then now he's saying that he low-key expected कि ऐसे बच्चे हो वगैरह. And then all of this happened when Akanksha went on the show and she revealed all of these secrets. Akanksha's father made this statement that Gaurav was specifically asked during Big Boss to not talk about the kids situation. क्योंकि ये बात पहले हो चुकी थी वो लोग दोनों के बीच में.
Okay.
एंड गौरव was specifically asked कि इस चीज़ के बारे में बात नहीं करनी बाहर. बट उसने किया और उसने सिंपैथी गेन किया क्योंकि वो आकांक्षा जब बिग बॉस में आके ना बोल के गई फिर उसके बाद मीडिया में भी जब मीडिया राउंड होता है ना बिग बॉस में तभी भी एक प्रेस वाली ने गौरव को
Question
पूछा
किया,
था और तभी ही ब्रोक आउट लाइक ही ब्रोक डाउन ऑन द स्टेज एंड ही वाज लाइक I love my wife. I just want to be with her. I just so her father comes out and then he tells him that Gaurav was specifically asked not to speak about this, but he did. He made it an issue. Then he sympathized out of it. He gained votes. And during that time also, Farhana had said कि मतलब तभी एक्टिंग नहीं कर रहा था ये जब उसने जया मदन को पूछा तभी वो सच में पूछ रहा होगा जेन्युइनली. बट आज जो उसने मीडिया के सामने रोने वोने का नाटक किया ना.
That was
she
an act.
looked at him and then she was like amazing actor he is. He is one of the finest TV actors.
Bro, I was a fan of his character in Anupama, Anuj.
I was a fan of his character in Big Boss.
But like a man lied. Are we shocked and surprised? Are we shocked and confused?
Yeah, that does not stop there. Akanksha's second secret, she had said it backstage and Shreya overheard it. And she was telling Sufi that Akanksha Chamola is bisexual.
Yeah, and she hadn't come out.
First of all, sexuality, like other people's sexuality is none of your business. But second thing,
Yeah, and she did it fully for the game.
she
Shreya.
did it for the okay. My this thing is that why is it that these days in reality TV shows a major plot point becomes somebody overheard something behind the scenes.
Happened in Traitors.
Happened in Traitors, and that was people have debunked it. People have said that
Yeah.
it was staged.
Staged.
I never watched it. I'm not a big reality TV person, but this happened again. Like, why are they doing this? This is not
It just
interesting.
stirs the
as
pot even more, right?
stirs the pot, but as a viewer, I
Yeah.
can see through it, bro.
Exactly.
It does not.
No, so can I, but so can she. But you still fall for it. Because
Okay.
they're feeding you
than-
exactly what you are looking for in that show.
More than falling for it, you know what I think of this is? I think of this as like you think the worst possible traits or the worst possible qualities a person could have or the worst possible things a person could do to someone. This is all they bring out. I think they sit, brainstorm and they are like, नहीं इससे बदतर और कोई क्या ही कर सकता है, and then they script it down.
Do you remember?
And then they make people do it.
Yeah.
Hi guys, if you like this clip, you can watch the entire episode at We Are Besharam on YouTube, or you can also check the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all the jazz, and I'll see you in the comments, okay? Bye!